Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel Students Friend. Today we will learn how can I improve my communication skills. First of all, I would like to tell you communication plays very important role in our professional life. Today many of college going students are facing problem in communicating among themselves and communicating with their faculty members, with their surrounding peoples, with their colleagues. And without this skill, without communication skill, you will face very difficulties in your professional and business world. Communication does not mean English, but in professional life you have to use English. Many of people think that my English is not so good, so I'm not able to communicate better than him or her. But I will tell you, my dear friends, it's not necessary to know English for a healthy and a good communication. But in professional life means if you are in the world of professional and in the world of science or technology, you should be using English with your colleagues and with your teammates in your surrounding, in your technical world. But this doesn't mean that communication is throughout in English and every time in English. Generally, when we talk with our friends, it is also a communication, but it is a informal communication. But in formal communication, you have to use English. So basically, you should use easier words. Don't try to impress the other one in front of you. Don't use lexical words, which immediately shows that you are trying to impress or show off. So, first step is never use lexical or tough words. Then, when you are in communication, always start with a smile. Whenever you say, hello, my name is such and such, my name is such and such, I am this. So you have a little smile on your face. Third step, whenever you start a conversation, start with your name, then start with your basic details. Mm, Basic details means what are you doing currently? What is your interest? Which field do you belong? What is your perseverance? What you want to be? These all things belong to technical communication or in technical word. But in informal communication, you don't have to tell in deep about you because your friends and relatives know you better and they don't want to know about your future plans, and it's not necessary to tell them. So basically today I'm concerned about a technical word or technical communication. So let it be a technical communication only. I will make a video on informal communication and example of both technical communication and informal communication. But today we are discussing the tips and what should be do to make our communication skills better. So third step, you note down, you have to tell basic details. What are you doing currently? What is your aim? What is your perseverance? What you want to be? Next step is step number 4. Your body language is maintained throughout the conversation. Let's suppose if you are giving an interview, your body language will also play a vital role in communication because words are judged by your facial expressions more than your accent. So pay attention towards your body language. Intonation and tone is also important. Next step is step number 6. Change your tone without a deep gap in words so that your conversation or your talk does not pretend to be boring or user or the in front person is not like that. Oh, please, I don't want to listen you. So you should be attractive. Your voice should be like people want to listen you. Such in conversation, in communication, always pay attention towards your postures and gestures. In communication, technical communication, postures and gestures should be paid attention. Posture, how you are sitting or how you are standing. Gestures, how your body parts are moving, how your hands are moving. You have seen many people talking less and moving their hands and explaining by their hands more without words. So, in technical communication, use less gestures as less as you can. Next step, increase your reading. If you read more, you will get more knowledge of words. Never do this thing. Many people do when they have to give a presentation or communication. They Google up and listen their audio, and as it is, they go and deliver it. Please do not do this because as you can Google, the in front people or the person who is listening, he can also Google it up. So please never do this. Never use copied audio or learn presentation. Never give it. Write something if you like. If you have some thoughts or develop any idea, please write it down. Because when you write, the ideas get form of written, and when you write, it is conversation or it is a communication between you and paper. So if you like writing, you can write it. If you don't like, you can listen to good speakers, good politicians who use good English or good communication skills are good. Not hello मित्रों आज हम ऐसे, not like these, but a good journalist so that your communication skills get improved and get better. There is a law, the law of paying the price, which means if you want something, you have to pay for it. If you want to have good communication skills, you have to pay for it in your time, your practice. As much as you practice, your communication skills get developed. This is not a short term context or a short term practice which results in tomorrow. It will take time, but if you practice, you will achieve it. So, with this hope, I am leaving this today, but I will give you a communication example on both informal and formal communications. A technical communication with some questions which are asked in professional and business world, and a general communication with or among friends. So I hope you like this video. If you have any query or if you have any topic on which you want I give a video, please comment it in the comment box. Please like the video and share with your friends. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. And press the bell icon for more details for later updates. So, thank you very much. We will meet here with a new video. Till then, bye bye.